In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities available for beginners to start a career in the field of coding. Here are some of the top coding jobs for beginners. The first top job on the list is front-end web developer, responsible for creating the look and feel of a website. They use languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design and build user interfaces. Next up, we have the backend web developer, responsible for building the server side of web applications. They use languages such as Python, Ruby, and PHP to create the logic behind the website. The third on the list is full stack web developer, who is responsible for both front-end and back-end development, using a combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and server-side languages to build complete web applications. Mobile app development is a growing field, so this is another top coding job to consider. Mobile developers use languages such as Java, Swift, and Kotlin to create apps for both Android and iOS platforms. The fifth top job on the list is data analyst, who uses programming languages such as R and Python to analyze large datasets and extract insights from them. This is a great option for beginners who have a strong interest in data science. Finally, we have the game developer. Game development is a fun and exciting field, and beginners can find great opportunities in this area as well. They use languages such as C++ and Unity to create games from various platforms. These are just a few of the many coding jobs available for beginners. It's important to explore different areas to find the one that fits your interests and skills. With dedication and hard work, beginners can build a successful career in the exciting world of coding. That's it for this one. See you at the next Sonatafy Defined.